Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for grill enthusiasts, the Adviace grill replacement parts. If you're looking to revive your BBQ Pro Kenmore grill, these parts claim to be the best in the market. Let's find out if they live up to the hype. Before we get into the details, let's see what comes in this kit. It includes 5 grill heat plates, 5 grill burners, and 4 carryover tubes, all designed to fit models like the 146.47468610 and more. The grill heat plates are made of porcelain steel, measuring 14 and 15/16 by 3 and 13/16. They're sturdy and designed to withstand high heat. The stainless steel burners, 14 3/4 x 1, promise durability and efficient heat distribution. Plus, the adjustable carryover tubes ensure a precise fit for various grill models. One of the standout features is how easy these parts are to install. No need for professional help, just follow the simple instructions provided. It's a DIY project that can save you time and money. Aftermarket parts can be hit or miss, but based on our testing, these parts deliver. They not only fit perfectly but also enhance the grilling experience. Users report improved heat distribution and overall grill performance. With a decent longevity rating, they're built to last season after season. So, are the Adviace grill replacement parts the best choice for your BBQ Pro grill? Absolutely. They combine quality materials, ease of installation, and great performance. Whether you're replacing old parts or upgrading your grill, these are definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!